Most people get this wrong when they hear about ServiceTitan. They assume it is the ultimate fix for every home service business, and that assumption can become an expensive mistake very quickly. Here's the truth no one tells you. ServiceTitan is powerful, but it is not for everyone. And in this video, you are going to see exactly who should use it, who should avoid it, and whether it is actually worth the price in 2026. Let's get straight into it. ServiceTitan is a field service management platform built mainly for HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and larger home service companies. It helps you manage scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer communication, and even marketing analytics in one system. Now here's where it gets interesting. The platform is not designed to feel simple. It is designed to feel complete. That means more features, more control, and also more complexity. For a business owner like Alex, who runs a small plumbing company with 2 technicians, ServiceTitan can feel overwhelming. There is a learning curve, and setup is not something you finish in a day. It often takes onboarding, training, and ongoing adjustment. But here's the problem. Many small business owners sign up expecting instant simplicity, and that is where frustration begins. Now let's talk about what ServiceTitan actually does well. First, scheduling and dispatching are extremely strong. You can assign jobs in real time, track technicians on the field, and optimize routes. This alone can save serious time if you are managing a growing team. Second, reporting is one of its biggest strengths. You can see revenue per job, conversion rates, technician performance, and even how your marketing dollars are performing. This level of insight is something many smaller tools simply cannot match. But here's where most people fail. They underestimate the cost and the operational commitment. ServiceTitan is not cheap. It is positioned as a premium enterprise system. And on top of subscription costs, you often need training time, onboarding help, and internal process changes to actually get full value from it. Now imagine Jake, who runs a mid-sized HVAC company. He has 15 technicians and a small office team. For him, ServiceTitan starts to make more sense. The more complex his operation becomes, the more valuable the automation and reporting become. Now here's the key turning point. ServiceTitan is not just software. It is a system that expects your business to grow into it. If your business is still in early stages, you might feel like you are forcing your workflow to match the software instead of the other way around. Let's talk usability. The interface is powerful, but not lightweight. New users often need time to understand how everything connects. But once your team is trained, it becomes a very structured system for managing operations. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real value of ServiceTitan shows up when you have multiple trucks, multiple dispatchers, and high daily job volume. That is when automation, tracking, and reporting starts saving real money and time. So is it worth it in 2026? Yes, but only under the right conditions. If you are a small solo operator or under roughly 5 technicians, you may find it too heavy and too expensive for what you actually need. Simpler tools can often get the job done faster and cheaper. If you are a growing or established home service company scaling operations, ServiceTitan can become a central operating system that ties everything together. Now let's make this simple. Use ServiceTitan if you want deep control, advanced reporting, and enterprise-level management. Avoid it if you want simplicity, low cost, and quick setup without training overhead. To wrap it up, ServiceTitan is not overrated. It is just misused. The companies that succeed with it are the ones that are big enough to use all its power. The biggest takeaway is this. Don't ask whether ServiceTitan is good. Ask whether your business is ready for it. If this breakdown helped you understand the reality behind the platform, leave a comment with your business size, like the video, and subscribe for more honest software reviews that save you from expensive mistakes.